Hey, great day, Houston. We back again, man. Another Dirt to Dollars workshop. God, and just to think about, how much information is being shared in this room.
Absolutely.
150 years of experience for free.
For free.
For free.
Free 99.
For the free. So, this is our give to the community to, again, do our part in making sure that you have the right information so you can make that next move in real estate, financial literacy, whatever it may be. This is the place to be.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, when I look at this 2-day workshop, when you look at having 2 full days, yesterday was good. The first day is always, how to actually get to the money. You know what I'm saying? When you look at how to get to the money, the second day, how to secure the bag, which is a big piece that most people just skip over. That asset protection, how to put your assets in the trust, stay away from liability, understand the taxation that comes with that deal. People talk about generational wealth, but really don't know how to structure it.
Right,
you know what I mean?
Right.
So when you look at veteran benefits, just everything you got to have to be able to and get the entitlements necessary to build your family, that legacy is protected on day 2. I mean, I just think the workshop is so powerful, bro, what we giving to the community.
Absolutely.
How much you say they pay for it?
For free.
Oh, okay.
And then the other part to that is that they get to make it real.
Yeah,
when we
for
take
sure.
them on the field trip and they go and get to see and touch the dirt, I think that's one of the most important pieces too. Because a lot of things, we all been students or whatever, been in the classroom, that's a lot of theoretical
For sure.
type deal.
For
but
sure.
when you can go out and actually feel the dirt, see the sticks going up and do that part of it, I think it makes it real for a lot of people.
Oh, always, man. Being able to touch it and understand it. You know what I'm saying? People just have a concept in their mind, but one of the beautiful things I feel like we do within the base community is actually realize it. You know what I'm saying? It goes from just being a thought to the realization, and when you touch the dirt and you feel it and you see, you can do it.
Yeah.
Seeing is believing for some people. So, wherever you are across the country, man, when you're seeing it, just understand base is a place. When we talk about you're safe, it's because of the protection of the community, but the professionals, the know-hows, and know what to do. So if you're that person, you want to scale up your real estate career, you want to understand it, whether you're a new person, green, just coming into the game, or a seasoned vet, you just want to have more structure around you for your processes, this is a place to be. So if you were to tell the people what is one thing that you feel like, T, that this workshop does for them, what would you say it is?
I can't lie to you, the more that we do these, and the takeaway that I always take away from it and probably means the most to me, has nothing to do with business.
Absolutely.
Right? It's the family environment. Like people really walk away. Like we were talking to one of the members today, and she was just like, I just feel like I'm home.
Absolutely.
And I was like, good.
Absolutely.
That's what we want you to walk away from this, because these are the conversations that as family we should be having, but we're not having.
That's true.
So it's
That's
like
true.
to be able to come, like you might not get this from your own family, but to come into a family environment and not only feel that safety, but get this type of information, I think it's priceless.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So you done heard it first from the Dirt to Dollar workshop right here in what we call our Mecca, right here in Houston,
H-Town,
Texas,
baby.
man. H-Town babies, man. Listen, I became like a Jersey boy, H-Town native, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of getting used to it.
Congratulations, man.
Hey,
Houstonian.
yeah, right. Stay tuned, man. Next workshop coming towards you.
Yes, sir.